Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm president of ADS Consulting Group, and today we're going to talk about, guess what time it is? So I don't have my watch on. Well, if I did have my watch on, sometimes it's new server time. If your server's about 5 years old, 5 to 6 years old, and let's say it breaks, there's a good chance you probably want to just go ahead and spring for another server. You may be able to get us or somebody else to fix the new server. The problem is that even if you fix the new server, you are still have a 5 year old server, and so all the labor that it took to fix the server basically got spent on something that's 5 years old and probably needs to be replaced in another 2 years or so, maybe three if you're pushing it. Useful life of a server is anywhere, depending on how aggressive you want to get, maybe 4 to 7 years. Seven's really pushing it. Some companies actually even change their servers out after 3 years, which is maybe a little aggressive, but certainly 5 years is kind of around the point where you may want to consider getting a new server. So bottom line here is that don't be penny wise and metric ton foolish. You may think you're saving money by not spending the money, but then you have to spend it again. Plus, you have to spend all the money to do the conversion and migration up to the new server anyway. So it might be better just to bite the bullet and spend the money to buy the new server. In the long run, it'll actually save money. In addition to that, right, and you probably, if you have on-premise servers, you probably noticed that as the server ages, your total cost of ownership goes up because as it gets older, things tend to break more often and you have more service costs, blah, blah, blah. So just as a bottom line, if the server is probably, let's say, 4 years or 5 years old and it breaks, it might be more cost effective to just go ahead and buy a new server. That's our tip of the day. And if you like this content, please make sure to click that subscribe button and we'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.